If you play Roblox and you want to clip and share your best moments, you need to link your Roblox account to Medal. It takes less than 2 minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Here's what linking your Roblox account actually does. Medal will automatically detect which Roblox game you're playing, organize your clips by game, and even let your Roblox friends find you on Medal. Let's get into it. First, open the Medal app. If you don't have it yet, go to the description and download it. Once you're in, click the gear icon here at the bottom left to open Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Connected Accounts on the left side. Click that and you'll see a bunch of icons. And right here, you'll see the Roblox icon. Click it. A Roblox login window will pop up. Enter your Roblox username and password here and sign in. After signing in, you'll be asked to pick the profile you want to connect. Select it, and then on the next screen, click Confirm and give access. This just lets Medal read your basic Roblox profile info. Your password is never shared with Medal. It uses official Roblox sign-in. You'll see a "You're all set" message, and if you go back to Connected Accounts, you'll now see your Roblox username sitting right under the Roblox icon. That means it worked and you're linked. Now that you're linked, Medal will automatically detect whatever Roblox game you open. If this helped you, drop a like, and if you run into any issues, leave a comment and I'll help you out. See you in the next one.